Hi, my name is Russ, and I'm going to show you how to use JQ to do JsonPath queries. So for starters, I got to start with a JSON object, which I have in a file here. If I do, I just found this as an example on the web. So if I pipe that to JQ will parse it, and then if I want to pick a specific item out of this list, that's what JsonPath is for. And normally you would use $sign dot to represent the root, but JQ just assumes the $sign effectively, and so you don't include it. But say I want menu. That's the first item in this JSON object. So, but say I want menu.id, and then what most people want to do, what you often want to do is remove those quotes. So you just do -r for removing quotes, because you often want to do that because you're trying to put the result in an environment variable like this, like export id equals $parentheses. So you put the whole command in $parentheses, and then the result of this cat to JQ, that whole command gets returned. The text gets returned and put into and assigned to ID, and then you can use that environment variable like that. So okay, back to this. So say I want something else out of this. I want pop-up. Okay, here's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to pick just this record out of this array. Okay, so pop-up menu item, and so this is how you specify items in the array. I'm going to get item 1 because it's 0, 1, 2, not 1, 2, 3. It starts with 0. So say I want this close value. I'm gonna pick that with .value, right? And say now I want all of the .value values out of that array. I can just leave the number out of it, and then that's basically a wildcard for that whole array. So those are the basics of using JsonPath. You see it in Kubernetes. You see it in I just recently saw it in what's it called, step functions on AWS. So yeah, I'm starting to see this in various contexts. So it's worth learning. Yeah, thanks for watching. That's all I got.